promised last week in my green curry paste video, which you can get to using the link above, I'm going to be making a Thai green curry chicken today, so stick around. Welcome back to No Recipes. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today we're going to be using that fragrant green curry paste we made last week to make a Thai green curry chicken. Let's have a look at what we're going to be using today.
Alright, we've got some green curry paste, oil, fish sauce, coconut sugar, skin-on chicken thighs, water, coconut milk, julienne bamboo shoots, Thai green eggplants, baby corn, red chilies, kaffir lime leaves, and Thai basil.
Aside from the green curry paste and the coconut milk, you can make green curry from pretty much anything you have in the kitchen, so it's a chance to get creative. For instance, if I'm having vegans over for dinner, I'll replace the chicken with fried tofu, and instead of using fish sauce, I'll use white soy sauce. It's not quite the same, but it tastes much better than using salt alone. Are you with me? Let's get started.
The first thing we want to do is remove the basil leaves from the stems and soak them in cold water. This will help keep them fresh while we prepare the rest of the curry. Now you want to trim the tops off the eggplants and quarter them. If you can't find Thai green eggplants near you, you can use other varieties of firm eggplant, or you can just go with another vegetable altogether, like green papaya, kohlrabi, or even turnips will do. If you're working with eggplants, be sure to drop the cut eggplants into a cold bowl of water that's been acidified with lemon juice or vinegar to keep them from oxidizing. For the protein, I'm going to use skin-on chicken thighs that I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces. You can use pork, shrimp, fish, tofu, or really any protein, but cooking times are going to change depending on what you're using. Okay, our prep's done, so let's go ahead and start off by frying the curry paste. This brings out the flavor of the spices while caramelizing the aromatics. Be sure to keep the curry paste moving around the pan constantly so it doesn't burn. Once the curry paste is fairly dry and super fragrant, go ahead and add the water, coconut sugar, fish sauce, and the chicken. Most Western recipes will have you brown proteins before adding them to the stew, but we get a ton of umami from the curry paste, and browning the chicken tends to make it tough. Now I'm gonna throw in some kaffir lime leaves, and we're gonna let this simmer uncovered until the chicken is almost tender. It's gonna take about 15 minutes. Okay, that's looking pretty good and it smells amazing, so let's go ahead and add the vegetables. I'm gonna give that a little stir, and then we're gonna add the coconut milk. Okay, now we're just gonna let this simmer for another 10 minutes or so, or until the eggplant is nice and soft. The eggplant is tender, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a little taste. And I think I'm gonna hit that with a bit more fish sauce, and maybe a little more coconut sugar as well. Just remember, it's a lot easier to add things than to take them away, which is why I go light on the salt and sugar at the beginning and adjust them at the end. To finish it off, I've added some Thai basil, which adds an awesome fresh herbal note and a pop of green color. I like to serve my green curry with riceberry, which is a hybrid jasmine rice that's loaded with fiber and nutrients, and yet it cooks up just like regular white rice. Today I've mixed a blend of 1/3 riceberry with 2/3 regular jasmine rice, which makes for an earthy reddish purple rice that's the perfect color contrast to the vibrant green curry.
Oh man, I don't know if the mic is picking this up, but my stomach is literally growling from the smell in this kitchen. So I'm gonna go get some riceberry, pour a bunch of curry on it, and have it for lunch. Wanna see me do other colors of Thai curry? Be sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and if you have friends that love Thai food, please share this video with them. Alright, thanks so much for watching to the end. and I'll catch you in the next one.
Find us on Instagram at No Recipes.